These cheddar and garlic flavor bursting biscuits are soft on the inside and just a little crunchy on the outside. Garlic cheddar biscuits or drop biscuits are amazingly easy to make and so delicious. Another one of those simple recipes that's a kipper. Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. This one bowl easy biscuit recipe starts with mixing all purpose plain flour to a handful of flavors and seasoning. I'm starting with baking powder and that's going to be our rising agent and I have a tablespoon of it. Salt, although there will be salt in the cheese, but we need just a little bit more. Next, some cayenne pepper for its kick, and trust me on that. Next, I'm going to add some garlic powder for its amazing aroma, and that makes such a great difference. And finally, some sugar to balance up everything. A quick stir to mix up everything evenly, and then I will put all my wet ingredients. I'm gonna start with a cup of buttermilk, which, like me, you can make at home, and you'll find a quick recipe on my channel. Next, some melted butter, and these are all my wet ingredients. Now, you want to combine everything nicely, and it's also creating an air because baking powder is now in contact with liquid, which makes it active. Now adding the key ingredient, which is cheddar cheese, and I like to use 1.5 cup of it. I'm using some strong cheddar here. Don't go for mild, just trust me on that. When you mix the cheddar, it's finally done, and I hope you can already see that air has formed. Preheat your oven, and I'm preheating it to 200 degrees. And now you want to line up a baking tray with some parchment paper. I like to use an ice cream scoop for doing the job. It just makes things simpler. You can go with a medium size or a smaller size, it's your preference. Just scoop up and then put them on the baking tray. Time for these to go in the oven, and they will bake for something around 12 to 15 minutes, and in the meantime we will prepare a glaze for adding some flavor. I have melted butter here. To that I added some chopped parsley and some garlic pepper, and that's all you need. If you like, you can add a little bit more or less things according to your preference. The biscuits are out from the oven, and now I'm gonna put this garlic butter mixture on top, and everything is done. These garlic cheddar biscuits are best served warm just out from the oven, and they taste amazing. A written version of the recipe will be on my blog at www.bublisworldcuisine.com. Don't forget to check it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and bye.